look what we have. A manual Otis elevator. All right. Let's go ahead and close the door. All right, shut the gate. What? Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Here it is. Slow speed, medium speed, high speed. Oh my God. This thing goes. Holy crap. Oh my God. This thing flies. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy. A little more. That's as far as it'll go. All right. Now, back down. Pull the handle out. A little bit slow. All right, now let her rip. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe this. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, slow down a little. Here comes 1. A little more. Let her go. And there it is. Oh my God. This elevator, I can't even begin to describe how perfect this is. Here we go again. All right, take off. Oh my God. This elevator is perfect. This is a perfect elevator. 6, 7, 8. Whoa. Oh my God, that thing starts and stops like a absolute bullet. All right. Slow it down. Nice and slow. Perfect. All right. What? Anyway, that's it. We're not gonna let it close up. How's it going?
Hey, what's up, man?
Not much. I'm just taking some pictures.
Awesome.
This thing's beautiful. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna ride it down again and back up. Because why not? Why not? Oh my God. Look at this thing. Look at this elevator. Oh my God. This is one of the coolest elevators I've ever found in my life. Oh my God. This is so cool. All right, here we go down again. And here we go. All right, that is 4, 3, slow down a little, 2, slow down more, 1. I'm pretty sure there's a basement, but I don't want to test it. All right, a little more slow. Look at that. You know what? Close enough for me. Oh my God. All right, one more ride back up. Let's take a look at this crank. All right, here we go. Here's the speeds. Slowest is this. So let's see, 1 speed, 2 speeds, 3 speeds, 4 speeds. 4-speed manual. Wow, this thing flies. Okay, that's near the top. And perfect. This does automatically stop. Oh my God. Anyway, we're gonna leave it there and